guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Paris, also known as the Sweet Pea. Minasan konnichiwa, Paris desu. Hey guys, so today is Monday. Today is my first full day at my new hotel. Now I'm staying in a hotel in Asakusa. I'm not sure if I will have posted the hotel tour, but if not, then that's coming soon. I have some work I need to do. I have a few videos that I need to edit. I'm gonna go try to find a cafe that has Wi-Fi to edit at. It's gonna be a pretty chill day. I've never really explored Asakusa before besides just Sensoji Temple. I'm staying about 30 minutes away from that area, like by walking. Anyways, yeah, I've been in Japan so far for like 4 days and I've been doing a lot of filming and work so far, so I'm a little bit tired. Oh, and also today is a no makeup day. I'm not wearing any makeup besides like lip gloss or chapstick and stuff. Get some breakfast, edit, walk around, maybe like visit some temples, and kind of just show you guys like a random day in Tokyo. So I hope you guys enjoy and let's go. Oh my god, it's so windy. You guys can probably not even really hear me that clearly. It's so windy. So I was gonna walk all the way to the place because it's only like 30 minutes walk away, but it's like actually so windy, so I don't really want to be like walking. So I'm gonna take 2 buses, and yeah, and that should get us there in I think like 27 minutes. And I was thinking about taking the train, but I was like, no, I kind of want to like see this area. Oh, and for those of you guys who are, you know, maybe gonna travel to Japan at some point, I highly recommend using Google Maps in Japan. When I'm in the States, I always use Apple Maps, but for whatever reason, like Google Maps is just like a lot better in terms of the way that it tells you how to get places. So yeah, this is how I'm finding the bus. It says it's right here, so it should be like a left once I get up there. The bus is here. Okay, so that was totally the wrong bus. So I just got off a couple stops later and I'm gonna walk back to the original bus stop. It was because the bus that was supposed to come was like 3 minutes late. So the bus that came at the time that mine was supposed to come is the one I thought it was. But thankfully, yeah, it didn't go too far. I'm literally right back in front of my hotel. Not too bad. It says it's still just gonna take 30 minutes, but I literally just, I can't. It happens though. Speaking of getting lost in Tokyo, one option instead of getting lost like me is the sponsor of today's video, Magical Trip. When I was living in Tokyo, I went on a tour called Magical Trip in Shinjuku, and it was super easy to find our tour guide named Mana, and she took us to 3 amazing local places that I had never been to before. It was 2 restaurants and then also a dessert place as well. It was awesome because she is a local, so she made sure we got the best things on the menu, especially if there were any things that we couldn't read or weren't sure about. At the same time, she was so friendly, bilingual in English and Japanese, and even had games for us to play. It was an amazing night, so if you're planning on traveling in Tokyo or to Japan in general, and you'd like to have a tour guide to go on a foodie tour, a sushi and tempura tour, or even go on a full day tour to Mount Fuji, you can check out Magical Trip for small group tours and for a local tour guide. You can use my code TheSweetPea to get a discount on your tour, and to find out more, visit magical-trip.com or click the link in the description box below. Oh my gosh, guys, I did not know I was going this close to Skytree. What? So pretty. I love Skytree. Wow, yeah, my hotel is really close to Skytree. We only drove maybe 5 minutes. Guys, this is so cool. For Skytree to be right there. This is the direction I have to go to. Let's go. Oh my gosh, I didn't realize I was gonna be right by the golden poop too. Alright, so I got on the right bus. I actually, like, another bus came and I just went inside and I was like, you know what, this time I'm gonna ask if it's the right bus. So I asked and he was like, no, it's not this one. He was like, Midori no basu. He was like, it's the green bus, not the one that he was in was like the purple bus, which is the first one I think I got. N2. But yeah, so now we're at the second bus stop, and this is the last one, and I think this is gonna drop me off like right near where the cafe is. And actually, if you're paying attention, like it's actually really easy. Like I want to get on the 39 bus, so it says there's one stop, it's one stop away, I guess. So that way I know it's coming soon. Versus this one has 3 stops, it's 3 stops away. So if you like try to read, you know, whatever it is you can read, yeah, I mean I can read like a good amount of it, but still, like, even if you can't or you're still learning, like you can see 39 and be like, oh, that's the bus I'm gonna get on. Guys, I just got off and the street that I have to take is so cute. It's called Sushi Dori, like sushi shop street. Now I'm like, dang, should I get sushi instead? Okay, so I actually decided on sushi. I couldn't resist, and I love kura, or kura. I see yo. All the kuras are like that. They're so loud. Oh my god. I'm number 906. Okay, it says to go to 42. Got lots of sushi options. Ooh, extra fatty tuna. Heck yeah, let's do it. I like to order on the screen versus just like grabbing it, because unless I see like something I specifically want. Yay! Hot water. This is cold water. Let's go. I finally took one from the conveyor belt. I got a Toro salmon. It's like way thicker. Oh my gosh, when I bit into it, I was like, whoa. Hamburger sushi? Hamburger sushi? I think I got here at like maybe 3, so super sleepy, but I'm kind of hungry at the same time. Ooh, maybe I could get Moss Burger. I might order delivery, or I might see if there's one like nearby. I love Moss Burger. Ooh, there's one like 9 minutes away. Let's go! is right here. Oh, Sensoji's right there. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's so pretty. But I gotta go because Mossburger's gonna close in like 10 minutes. I actually came here on a date, I don't know, 5 years ago. So it's kind of natsukashi. I'm like, oh, I remember like walking around this area. And then Skytree's right there. But it just feels so traditional compared to like other parts of Tokyo. It's just, yeah, you gotta come here so you can understand. Oh my gosh, and the moon is, I thought there was a light right next to Skytree, but it's the moon. Like, for some reason the moon in Tokyo is like brighter or like more clear. Like, honestly mistake it for a light. Whereas like in LA, like I know it's the moon, maybe because it's more foggy or something. Oh, I see Mossburger. This Mossburger has been located. You guys see how the moon is next to Skytree? It's like, to me, it almost doesn't look like the moon. Like, it kind of just looks like a light that's next to it. Like, so I didn't even like recognize it. Ah, guys, Japan is so pretty. It's just like a breathtaking, like I'm in awe, kind of pretty and gorgeous. Everything in between.